Your analytics report from New Media Retailer is filled with insights to help you understand the performance of your online presence and glean insights that can help you grow your business. I'm going to share in this brief tutorial a breakdown of what your analytics report means so that you can understand how to use it to best grow your business and understand the performance of your online marketing. Let's jump in and break this down. Okay, so this is an example of what your analytics report might look like from New Media Retailer. Let me break down some different components of this. So the first thing to check out, this is going to show your local search results. And this is largely driven by your Google Business Profile. And what it says is your business profile and how it appears in local search for which keyword. So we've talked in other videos about how New Media Retailer helps you optimize your Google Business Profile because it's such an important part of ranking your business because people search for products you sell or the type of business that you are. You can see as I scroll through here in a single month, all the different types of searches that happened for this business, and we pulled the top ones and that led to people finding this business's Google Business Profile. It's not just about being found for your name, it's about being found for the products and services that you offer as well. Then you can see many people just judge a business right from their Google Business Profile. That's why it's so important to have it well optimized and click on the call button directly from the profile to ask a question about what the store sells, when they're open, what they can do for them, whether they offer a certain service. And you can see in a single month, 169 people called right off of Google. The next thing that you see is how many people clicked on directions. So again, some people just look at Google Business Profiles, decide on a business based on what they see there, and click directly on the directions and drive right to the store. We know that Google searches are closely related to visiting a store within a day. This is just more evidence of exactly how that happens. Next up, you're going to see the website activity. So you can see that for this business, they had 1,200 visits in a single month. And from that, 807 of those visits were people who found them through search. Now you can see a couple people searched their name, about 120, but a large portion of this, and this is why the website is so important, especially one optimized for Google search, a lot of people just searched for products or services that they wanted to buy. So about 700 of those, so you deduct the people who searched by name because they were already looking for that business, about 700 others were discovery searches, meaning the local customer was looking for a type of product or service that they wanted to buy. And you can see those here and how many people searched each thing. This is why it's important to have a good company like New Media Retailer who understands your industry and business and is optimizing your website for the right keywords. You can see all these different searches, and you can see that many times it's just one search a month. Doesn't matter to us. That's one customer that you can get. So you can see as I scroll here, all of the different keywords of what people actually searched that drove them, because your website ranks so well, directly to your business's website. That's your opportunity to turn them into a customer. And you can see how many of these are product specific searches, which we help optimize your website to come up for. Brand and specific products. Now, we always throw in something here about a service or extra thing that we're offering. So pay attention to this. Sometimes there'll be discounts, deals in here on a service because we want to always be trying to help you grow your business. And as we develop programs or services that we know work really well, we're going to plug them in there for you. Next thing that we're going to show is page views of your online product catalog. So this is how many people looked at your online product catalog in the given month. So 614 different page views, how many page views per product, so you can see and identify some of the most popular products in your catalog. This might be an opportunity to expand a line if you're seeing a lot of people looking at a certain type of product that you maybe only carry one or two products from that brand. It may be an opportunity to add more to a certain department of your business because you see that department seems to get a lot of traction and maybe there's more growth opportunity in that area. The reason we do online product catalogs is because we know from overwhelming research and analytics like this from thousands of other businesses, stores that we work with, people are using the online product catalogs in the hundreds, if not thousands, every single month to look through local retailers' online catalogs to make a decision before driving into the store. We know that local consumer thinks, hey, let me Google search this product, see who sells it, look at their online product catalog, see what types of things they sell, plan my shopping trip, and then get in the store and drive there. Gone are the days where people just guess and go to a store and wait to find out until they've driven there whether or not the store sells what they're looking for. The online product catalog helps drive in the right customers who know what you carry and are interested in coming into your store to buy, and it gets used by the hundreds or even thousands in some months. Now, last thing, we're always working on your behalf. So you can see here the last time the point of sale connected or updated. So some of you, because of older point of sale systems, need to export and upload. Others of you are on streamlined connections. Again, that's all part of the journey. If you're not on a streamlined connection with an updated point of sale, work with your marketing specialist to get there so this auto happens. Otherwise, you'll get to see and have a reminder of the last time your POS submitted. It's going to tell you the new products that were added in the last month. So for this one, there were 2 products that were added. You can go in and ask for up to 50. If you don't do that, then any new products that we have in there, you're probably going to see anywhere from 2 to 50 products anyway. Sometimes some of you will see a few hundred products added because we're going to sync your catalog, and any new products in the database that aren't in your catalog yet will sync to it. And you can see over time, we're going to be checking your catalog and merchandising, which means adding pictures, images, descriptions, titles of those UPCs so that you have that data so that it's web ready and shows up on your small business website. So you'll be able to see the growth of your online product catalog as more and more of those products get that content enrichment with titles, pictures, descriptions, categories. And once we do that in the background consistently on your behalf, we push them up to your small business website. That's what your analytics report looks like. That's a bit of an explainer about what your analytics report means for your business. We're going to send this every single month, but you'll also be able to log in very soon to your local marketing dashboard and see this in action. Thanks so much for joining me. If you have questions or you're not working with New Media Retailer yet, click on the link below to schedule a call with our team. Otherwise, catch these next videos as we keep talking about how to attract more local customers for your store.